Explain broadcast receivers in Android. Differentiate between normal and ordered broadcast and static and dynamic broadcast receivers. Discuss their working advantages, disadvantages, and applications with suitable examples. A broadcast receiver is one of the four main components of an Android application. A broadcast receiver is an Android component that listens for system-wide or application-specific broadcast messages and performs a specific action when a broadcast is received. Working of a broadcast receiver. पहले हम लिखेंगे सबसे पहले सिस्टम और एप्लीकेशन इवेंट. उसके बाद हम लिखेंगे नीचे एरो करके ब्रॉडकास्ट मैसेज सेंड, नीचे एरो करके फिर ब्रॉडकास्ट रिसीवर रिसीव्स इवेंट, नीचे एरो करके रिक्वायर्ड एक्शन परफॉर्म्ड. एग्जांपल व्हेन द बैटरी बिकम्स लो. एंड्रॉयड सेंड्स बैटरी लो broadcast. The broadcast receiver receives the message. The application displays a battery warning notification. Types of broadcasts. Android supports two types of broadcasts: normal broadcast, ordered broadcast. Normal broadcast. A normal broadcast is sent to all registered broadcast receivers simultaneously. There is no specific order in which receivers process the broadcast. Characteristics: faster execution, sent asynchronously. Multiple receivers receive it at the same time. No receiver can stop the broadcast. Example: when Wi-Fi is turned on, multiple applications receive the event simultaneously. Advantage: fast, efficient, suitable for general notifications. Disadvantage: no execution priority, cannot modify or stop the broadcast. Ordered broadcast. An ordered broadcast is delivered to broadcast receivers one by one according to their priority. A receiver with high priority receives the broadcast first. Characteristics: sequential processing, priority based. A receiver can modify or stop the broadcast. Example: SMS applications receiving incoming message. Advantage: controlled processing, priority management, can prevent further propagation. Disadvantage: slower than normal broadcast, more complex implementation. Difference between normal and ordered broadcast. Normal broadcast sent to all receivers simultaneously, no priority, faster, cannot stop broadcast, used for general events. Ordered broadcast, sent one receiver at a time, priority based, slower, broadcast can be aborted, used when execution order matters. Types of broadcast receivers. Broadcast receivers can be registered in two ways: static broadcast receiver, dynamic broadcast receiver. Static broadcast receiver is declared in the Android manifest.xml file. It is registered before the application starts. Example: receiver smaller than receiver, नीचे Android name is equal to double quotes dot battery receiver double quotes close greater than, फिर नीचे smaller than / receiver greater than. Advantage: automatically available, easy to implement, receives broadcast even when the app is not running for supported broadcasts. Disadvantage: consumes system resources. For some broadcasts, are restricted in newer Android versions. Dynamic broadcast. Receiver. Definition. A dynamic broadcast receiver is registered programmatically using Java or Kotlin code while the application is running. Advantage: registered only when needed, better memory management, more flexible. Disadvantage: works only while the application is active, must be manually registered and unregistered. Difference between static and dynamic broadcast receivers. Declared in static receiver. Declared in manifest, registered automatically, available before app starts, less flexible, may consume more resources. Dynamic receiver. Declared in Java Kotlin code, registered manually, available only when app is running, more flexible, better resource management. Some common broadcast events are: Android sends many system broadcasts including battery low, battery full, SMS received, device boot completed, Wi-Fi connected, airplane mode changed, headphones plugged in, power connected. Applications of broadcast receivers. Broadcast receivers are used in battery monitoring, displays battery warnings, SMS applications, detects incoming messages, network monitoring, detects Wi-Fi or mobile data chains, alarm applications, receives alarm events, music applications, pause music when headphones are disconnected, device boot applications, start services automatically after device is restarted. Advantage of broadcast receivers: automatic event handling, background event processing, efficient communication, supports system-wide notification, improves application responsiveness, reduces continuous polling. Disadvantage of broadcast receivers: limited execution time, excessive receivers may affect performance, restricted in newer Android versions. Um, Incorrect implementation may increase battery usage. Example: a battery saver app. Android detects the battery level has dropped to 15%. The operating system sends battery low broadcast. The app's broadcast receiver receives the event. The app displays a warning and automatically enables battery saver mode.